Hi friends, we're going to do a science experiment today where there is no children around, so we do not have our mask on. We're going to make a lava lamp today. So the items needed is corn oil, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer, any type of a clear container that you can see going down. So it could be a cup, a jar, whatever you have at home, and water. So the first thing we're going to do, you don't have to measure, just dump your water in. Dump your water in. Then we're going to dump your oil in on top. Then the food coloring. Then food coloring. I would try 5 drops and see how it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does look like it's separating the oil and the water. The oil is sitting on top of the water. So is the food coloring. It's not doing anything yet. Next, we're going to take out the Alka-Seltzer. Open up your Alka-Seltzer. And drop it in and see what happens. Once again, you might have to add more food coloring. It just depends on how much of a lava lamp you want, how much coloring you want in it. And watch your lava lamp go to work. Look how it's like erupting and separating. It's still separating the water and the food color, or the oil. The oil is settling on the top. See what happens once this Alka-Seltzer dissolves. There's no color at the top whatsoever where the oil is. We're going to wait and see what happens. All right, friends, we failed on the first one, so we're going to try this again in a different order. We're going to add the water first again. Next, we're going to add the Alka-Seltzer, just one. We're going to drop it in the water. Then we're going to add some oil on top of that and see how it separates. The water's on the bottom, oil on the top. Then we're going to add the food coloring. We're going to see if it's a difference between the last time and this time, since we did the ingredients in a different order. The Alka-Seltzer is dissolving. The Alka-Seltzer is completely dissolved. We're going to see what happens here. Okay, friends, we failed the second time. So we're gonna try it a third time using a little bit less water in our container. And we're gonna use 2 Alka-Seltzers this time. We're gonna drop those in. Then we're gonna use about the same amount of oil as we did with the water. So we're gonna do 50-50 and see if it works better. I'm gonna drop a few drops of the food coloring in. And see what happens. See if we get a different reaction from it. It is separated. You can tell the oil and the water. You can see all the little bubbles going up to the top. I'm going to add just a little bit more food coloring in there and see what happens. It's settling on the top. It's not going down in. You can see the red bubbles going down. I'm going to put a little bit different color in there and see what happens, so you can see the difference in it. Looks like little balls on top when I drop it in. We're waiting to see what happens with it. Slowly starting to drop to the bottom and come back up. This is just a fun lava lamp to sit and watch and enjoy and see what happens. It's a fun experiment. Bye, friends. Enjoy. Try it at home.